You see that dirt-like trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Carry Pest for sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and under floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Carry Pest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Carry Pest Limited. Protecting what matters.
Me say la coffee like a bong Snyder. 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 Me say la coffee like a bong.
Welcome back to the show. Listen, from Rome to Jamaica and from a bold dream to a homegrown success story, Pizza Please has been serving up more than just pizza for the past decade. Now we're joined by founder and CEO Pietro Giuliani to talk about the building of his Jamaican dream. And of course, he's here with us and he has brought someone. Yes. Welcome to Daytime Live.
How are you?
I'm doing great, thank you.
Take us back to where it all started. You decided, like, I'm going to leave home, I'm going to make Jamaica my new home.
That's pretty much correct.
How'd you fall in love with it here?
So I think, apart from the beach and the good weather, music put Jamaica on the map for me. So I started traveling, parties, good vibes and all. And one day I decided I was tired of traveling with a suitcase. I said, let me stay. Took me a while, a few years.
Right.
And then when I came, the idea for the business came because I really was craving some pizza, even just a slice.
Right.
And I couldn't find it. I wasn't really happy. And I thought pizza was very pricey. So I said, maybe this could come here because Jamaica deserves better pizza.
Yeah. So coming to Jamaica it wasn't spontaneous. It was something that you planned after a while. I said, I'm going to move here. I just decided I'm just not going back home.
No, there's a lot of people that come to Jamaica and say, I'm going to retire here.
Right.
I didn't want to wait for retirement. I said, I want to make it happen.
Make it happen right
a little
now.
sooner.
Yes. But starting a new business in a foreign country, because you're Italian.
I'm Italian.
Born and bred.
Yes.
Raised.
Yes.
But starting a new business in a new country must have had challenges.
It had its challenges.
What were some of the biggest ones that you faced?
You don't live here full time, so you don't know the market, you don't know person's habits, you have to take the time to study and understand. Luckily, traveling here a lot, I got to meet so many persons, conversations, and before moving here, obviously I was on the same frequency,
right.
I was on the same vibe, so I felt like I could look at things with a local point of view. That was a challenge. Obviously, the language eventually got smoothened out. But yeah, also the culture is different. Pizza in Italy is everyday kind of food.
Right.
In Jamaica, thanks to Pizza Please, I think it's becoming more of a daily snack.
Right.
Yeah, a snack, a lunch, anything. Not a party.
So being here over the years, I mean, you would have had the Jamaican food and you're trying to blend your Italian roots, bringing Italian cuisine to Jamaica, but then you want to also have like a Jamaican spin to it. Are you incorporating the flavors of both Italy and Jamaican?
Absolutely. I love cooking. When I moved here, I started experimenting with local ingredients and local spices and flavors. And I said, this could work beautiful on a pizza. So the menu got developed listening to feedback from customers and incorporating Jamaican food. So Pizza Please is a Roman style crust. I'm from Rome, where we go by the slice with Jamaican toppings over it. So we have a signature pizza, it's ackee and saltfish pizza. I brought some today. We have a jerk chicken pineapple pizza.
So you're talking about the different styles and types of pizza, because that's I'm getting the difference there. You have different styles, which is we said the Roman crust and
yes.
Because we know about thin crust, and stuffed crust.
Right. Oh, the Roman crust is a little airy, crunchy, and in Rome we have many stores where you can just buy a single slice, and that's what we do. We are by the slice.
What about vegetarian options? Because you have people
so we're
who
talking about
don't
the types
eat
now.
meat.
Absolutely, variety is key at Pizza Please. So Jamaican toppings, chicken, pork, vegetarian, even vegan. we cater to
Everybody.
all pizza lovers.
Okay. And when do you open?
So the first store opened in 2016, and we're now celebrating 10 years. Thank you.
Yeah.
It's been a journey. It's been a good, fun, entertaining journey. And now we reach 4 locations. There's 3 in Kingston, Ligani, Waterfront, Village Plaza, the first, and 1 in Osherios, Island Village.
Okay. And you say you're a slice by slice, the first in Jamaica. You think it would work because one slice of pizza, one slice.
Maybe.
You don't have to commit to a whole pie. You can, and it's ready. You don't have to wait. You can come in, buy a slice, and continue your shopping, your lunch break.
So let's get into the boxes that are here. We see 6 boxes.
Yes.
All of them are holding different things, right?
Different, all mixed.
All right. So let's start.
Can open. Yes, I wrote.
So this is.
We have
Hawaiian.
We have boxes with 2 slices. That one has 3: Hawaiian, margarita, and ackee and saltfish.
Oh, this
one is bacon,
right,
and barbecue chicken.
Jerk. Oh.
This is the signature one: ackee and saltfish.
Ackee and
That's me over there.
So that's you.
Hand this over. Yeah.
Over here.
This
and
this one is what? Oh.
So this is the ackee and saltfish.
Oh.
Which one? This. All right. That's the ackee. It look good here, man.
And this one is what?
I'm going to say something that I make it flat for. It looks good enough to eat.
Barbecue chicken and jerk chicken.
So chicken lovers.
Chicken lovers.
Yes. And so single slice, 2 slice, 3 slice, up to 6.
Also, you can buy these a single slice or
mix and match. I like the idea of that too.
Right.
So
because sometimes you want a little bit of this and a little bit of that, something different.
there you go. So
oh gosh.
we can say that Pizza Please is the only place in Jamaica where you can mix 6 different slices.
So this is a mix box of 6 different slices.
Yes.
Right here.
Here.
So mix and match. Can pick your favorites.
So this is ackee and saltfish.
Ackee
jerk
and saltfish,
chicken.
Margarita. This is beef short ribs.
Beef short ribs.
Vegan, vegetarian, Hawaiian. And here we have barbecue chicken, barbecue pork, jerk chicken pineapple, again short ribs, Hawaiian, bacon.
Yeah, this looks good.
Yeah, it looks like each slice in and of itself look like.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
But I forgot, I forgot circle and buy one of these mixed boxes. I'm going to have to.
We're open every day.
Like really good.
Open every day?
Yes.
Right. So I was going to ask, what are your opening hours and what are your opening days?
So
Sunday to Sunday?
Sunday to Sunday for all stores.
Right.
Except Village, closed on Sunday.
And what time you open? What time?
By 9 a.m., 10 a.m. in the morning, pizzas are ready. They bake fresh every day. So by 9:30, first pizza start.
And what time do you close?
And we close 7, 8 p.m. on weekdays, 9, 10 p.m. on weekends.
Ah, okay.
Expansion plans outside of Kingston, St. Andrew area?
Maybe Kingston can hold a few stores more. We got requests on social media constantly. Come to Mobay, come to Clarendon.
Come to Manchester.
Manchester, yes. No, really.
Somebody said
come to
Portmore. I'm like, you don't have to go, you know what I'm saying.
Or we receive requests. I am doing my best. Doing my best to expand. Yes.
And these are authentic Italian-made pizzas with a Jamaican twist.
The recipe is authentic for the crust, Italian.
Right.
All our stuff is Jamaican. They know better than me how to do the ackee and saltfish, the jerk seasoning and all of that. Our equipment also is specific to this kind of pizza.
Right.
So you're getting the best of both worlds.
Because normally pizza slices are more triangular.
Triangular, no. Our pizzas are rectangular.
Right.
So the slices are big and
it fits in the rectangular boxes.
Any plans to do like any big celebration for the 10th anniversary? Anything?
There will be something that we want to launch. Yes. We have more news coming. Our social media is where we share before everything else.
And what's your social media?
At Pizza Please JA. Across all platforms.
All right, no problem. Awesome. Richard, no worry yourself, Richard, you have a microphone? I know on you're quiet to do, man.
Sign language.
Pietro Giuliani, founder and CEO of Pizza Please. Thank you so much, Pietro, for joining us today. Keeping the amazing pizzas coming. We love it so much more after this break. So stay with us right here on Daytime.
I'm going to turn up in here.
Hey.
You
See that dirt-like trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Carry Pest for sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and under floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Carry Pest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Carry Pest Limited. Protecting what matters.